Kingeni-ke owayengumsakazi weVuma FM waxoshwa njalo exoshelwa khona-ke ukulwisana nabantu bokufika kuleli. Ngana kwethu angicacise le. Usisi Jacinta akalwisane nabantu bokufika abangekho la abala ngokusemthethweni. Kodwa ulisana nabantu bokufika abala ngokungekho emthethweni. Njengoba-ke izolo kwakhuluma into ejulile ekuwukuthi abantu mangabe kukhulunywa ezinye zezinto abalaleli kodwa bajaha ukuphawula bese kuba ukuthi ngampela gcina kuba na misunderstanding. uJacinta ukhuluma indaba yokuthi ohulumeni abathathu ama-department angaphekwa 3 acomplaina ngento eyodwa, kodwa uhulumeni futhi usaphendulisana nabantu abalwisana nabantu bokufika abala ngokungekho emthethweni. Ngani zakwethu angikusho lokho, ngiyazi ukuthi some of you bakhona abala ngokungekho emthethweni abangifolowayo noma abafolowa leli page. Bafethu asilwisani nani ukuthi nila ngokusemthethweni, kodwa yenzani okufanele ukuze nikwazi ukuthi nibe lana. Ingakho uthola ukuthi makuliwa nabantu kukhalwa ngabantu abaningi abaxoshiwe noma ngabantu abaningi abaluza imisebenzi noma ngabantu abaningi abangasebenzi. Ingoba nina nilanga ngokungekho emthethweni. Bayazi abantu hleli bakhona abantu abahamba emgwaqweni yonke into itholakala kubona right. Kodwa-ke uJacinta ulusana nalabo kuyibona abalanga ngokungekho emthethweni. Uyabo? So uthe mangabe echaza bomsweli ukuthi icala lihambelayo iliphi noma-ke ecaleni abizele lona ubizelwe icala lani. Kwamangala wonke umuntu ngoba akekho umuntu ophuma ne-answer noma nento straight kulento-ke uJacinta abizele yona enkantolo noma-ke alwiselwa yona u-Department of Human Rights. Uyabo? So ngana wethu ngaphandle kokumusha isikhathi sakhe ngiphathele iphortion ekuyiyona ezokucacisela noma ekuyiyona nje ezokuhlaziyela ukuthi kahle njengamanje sibhekiphi, kahle njengamanje yini esibhekene nayo, ukuze nawe uzoba nayo i-clue ukuthi noma ngathiwa ubanjwe umsebenzi noma ngathiwa ubhizi ngani lo bhizi ngayo, kodwa kwenzakalani ezweni noma-ke iyiphi inkinga esibhekene nayo ezweni. Naye video kaJacinta echazela uba umsweli khona futhi engizoyifaka emva kwale ekuyiyona la chaza khona ukuthi ngampela kwenzakalani noma-ke ikhundla ey'ntathu ama-department amathathu akhala ngani, ebese understanda lento ukuthi kungani kuze kusukuma abantu beqele uhulumeni noma beyithathele umthetho ngezandla. Naye video angizuvula khona phana comment section mawuqeda ukulalela le video. Danko.
Ngeke sifuna one line before Africa my continent, Africa my home, before aye Westville. Isimlindile vela nanti iveni imlindile. Siyayibona iDudula operation Dudula bakhona, march and march bakhona, ngibona ne-MK khona, ngibona nophakela umthakathi. Bathi bazosupport kwenza ukuthi mawusiye Westville bathenga ilwafu wesinkwa lethini kafish kuthiwani la ngaphathi uzo ithini.
Ngwenya bathi la ngaphakathi bathi amaphoyisa wasibopha. Ngoba sithi umthetho wethu simple sithi akusuka abantu abangafanele bebe la ezweni beyokugcwala lapha ebhedlela ngoba kuningi ubugebengu esibtholayo ukuthi nabuningi ngosuku nje angazi bangachazela sithola amaphepha fraudulent izinto eziningi abazenzayo bathi asisuke ke sekuyenza leyo nto ungene ebuthephi esibhedlela. Yabo? So sina sithi asithandi ukuthi sibenze lokho ngoba akukho umuntu esimvimbayo ongafanele ngabula phaya. Wonke umuntu ofanele ngabula lapha siyamngenisa njengoba nje kusho i-constitution. Ithi mangabe umuntu angaphandle uthola emergency healthcare asivimbi umuntu kwaba emergency. Kodwa ngeke size sivume ukuthi kuhlale kuthiwa amaphilisi awekho abantu besifazane imbhede abanayo bazalela phansi abantu bafanele bathole bangene kuma list lapha ama-operation khona ngisho abantu abama-illegal iyayenza sense leyo nto uqhamuka kwelinye ilizwe uzele nje i-operation ebalulekile. Umuntu wala eSouth Africa yena odinga uba ufanele alinde wena uqhamuka ungaziwa ukuthi uzothola leyo operation angeke sivume leyo nto ngenye sithi ngeke sivume.
Human right lokubizini.
Human rights impela.
Kumele amalungelo
bathi-ke bona bathola ama-complain. Nathi sa-complain njalo sasamasha sayakubona kodwa
abawatholanga wena ama-complain.
Samasha sayakubona qathatha kodwa kaze beze behlale phansi nathi bathi baya-address inkinga esasiyiveza. Uyayizwa into engishoyo. Enye into bathi ngifuna uyichaza lento ngoba ngilokhu ngichazile bathi lento esiyenzayo ayikho emthethweni.
Yes.
Umbuzo wami uthi-ke Ngwenya, uthini umthetho esiwuphulayo? Ngoba uyiphula kanjani umthetho wento efanele ngabe ayikho ngoba bese ayikho emthethweni? Usho kanjani ukuthi siphula umthetho wokuthi siblocka abantu ngendlela abasho ngayo? Abantu abama-illegal immigrants, wena ama-illegal immigrants fanele ngaba awekho vele, fanele bayadeport ngokomthetho.
Yes,
So imuphi umthetho lo owawuzowakhelwa ukuthi kube khona umthetho omisa umthetho ofanele ngaba awukho? Ayazi noma uyayenza. Awukho sekudlala ngathi.
Sifuna umthetho ophikisana nomthetho wokuthi umthetho okufanele ngaba awukho lowo mthetho ngaba awukho.
Yini leyo? Akazi ube khona umthetho wokuthi abantu bangablokho ngoba awukazi kube khona ukuthi abantu bangaphandle fanele bakhona la illegally vele. So usho kanjani siblock umthetho? Ukuphi lo mthetho?
Bebekhona kodwa ama-complainant.
Bakhona la ngaphakathi abasikhulumisa abanye bahlimile la eduze kwethu.
No, laba kuyibona ama-foreigners la kuyibona afaka isikhalazo la.
Bakhona bahleli la abaseduze kodwa abasho ukuthi bawoba. Kodwa emaphepheni enkantolo thiwa abavumelekile ukuveza ukuthi bangoba. Yazi indaba benze njalo benzela ukuthi singathi okay asibone amaphepha abo.
Yebo.
Uyifihlelani phela uma ngabe wrong angithi awunankinga wena ngitera. Bathi ke izathu sokuthi bayifihle ngoba basabela impilo yabo. Kodwa ithini sihlale sikhishela ibhamu lapha na ama-volunteer angakutshela hlebe khishela ibhamu kuthiwa bazodutshula. Usho kanjani ukuthi sibone labo bantu abasenkingeni kube kwabantu bethu on the ground okuhlezi bekhishela ibhamu kwayizolo eGoli kade khona omunye eboshayo ukuthi ukhiphelwe eZimbabwe isibhamu. Ithina kahle kahle singekho safe kuyona yonke lento kodwa bathi bona ibona abangekho safe.
Africa my continent besikhuluma nophakela umthakathi ukuthi wonke umuntu akabe yilida nangu Jacinta umile nangu uphakela umthakathi umile idudula imile nangu umkhwanazi nawe umile ubhutwethu oyena ubhutwethu umile kanje
na i-labor desk
i-labor desk weza ngapha i-labor desk nansi i-labor desk
i-labor desk ingafuni ukuvela
hands off umkhwanazi sekuna hands off okusho ukuthi bafowethu khona la siya khona khona la siya khona sonke asibambe nobani nami ngibambe ngapha ngobuso bepoverty la kuhlushwa ngakhona nami ngihamba phambili kodwa ngoba singapha namhlanje so support utatwethu so support umzabalazo noma i-movement ukuthi asibe khona eSouth Africa kodwa sibe khona ngendlela
wenya
finish that's it.
Nanokuthi abantu abangasorry sizwama abantu base South Africa abeke beme manje ukuthi balokhu bethi becheer noma behalalisela uJacinta ukuthi uyalwa. Iyinsizwa kakhulu insizwa nje kakhulu siyacela bakithi zibe ingxenye nama artist insizwa angithi before umuntu before abe i-artist ungiwasekhaya lesi simo sizo affect izingane zakhe noma ngabe kwamanje yena sikakama affect kodwa eminyakeni ezayo so affect izingane zakhe asilweli la ukuthi sifuna ukunyanya abantu sithi sicela uhulumeni asenzele kahle izinto aprioritize thina abantu base South Africa kuqala umuzi nomuzi mongaba noJacinta umuzi nomuzi mongaba nobaba umsweli umuzi nomuzi mongaba nomkhwanazi even amaphoyisa ngeke abe nawo umsebenzi asizonda abantu bakithi abamnyama kodwa uhulumeni uexploit abantu bakithi abamnyama ukhona umuntu oseparliament okuseqenjeni elibusayo okuyi-NEC yeqembu elibusayo unama truck awu-146 uqashe ama-foreigners odwa enkampanini yakhe a-parliamentarian ukuhulumeni ukuyi-executive yeqembu elikhulu la eSouth Africa elikuhulumeni eliphethe uhulumeni unama truck awu-146 umuntu wesifazane owazi ubuhlungu bokungasebenzi komuntu unama truck awu-146 nama-foreigners awu-146 because abafuni ukuwakhokhela abafuni ukulandela laba bantu njengoba izweni umnotho ushoniswa phansi ukuthi kunabantu abawu-20 million abangayikhokhi i-tax bese thina sizokhokha i-tax engaka-ke ikhushulwe ngapha kithi ngaleyana bebaholela nge-envelope ezibrown so-ke sithi-ke zonke iy'nsizwa sicela abantu besilisa bakithi bebambe iqhaza sesisukumile uMangobese wawuhlaba umkhosi ngisho emandulo impi yayibonwa ngabantu besifazane ngoba babevuka kuqala beye emfuleni befike bebonta nakho kushunqa intuthu lapha shuthi khona impi ezayo begijime beyotshela obaba ekhaya sewuhlabile umkhosi iy'nsizwa ayisukumeke manje.
Thank you solid ruler.
Hi guys, so earlier today Fanny Masimula, who is the National Commissioner Yamaphoyisa, was on TV saying that the police in South Africa no longer have the capacity to manage the crimes that are happening in South Africa, and it's mostly because people from Africa all are coming down south to South Africa. Therefore, it's causing a burden on the police because amaphoyisa no longer have the capacity to keep up with igebengu. National Police Commissioner. So the finance minister says a few days back that the country can no longer afford to survive because we are financing people from outside of Africa. Health minister also said that our resources are stretched because we are taking care of people from all over Africa. Right? Ngifuna ning understand. Then yesterday, the Home Affairs Minister grants them an extension kuma ZDPs, knowing that the Finance Minister has already said that we can no longer take care of these people from all over Africa. Police Minister today confirms it. Now you guys are telling me that we have a government that is so clueless that different states can say one and the same thing, or different departments can say the same thing. We can't afford to have illegal immigrants. In fact, we can't afford to have even foreigners in this country anymore, regardless of what status. We can't have working visas because even in employment, there's a problem with illegal immigrants. And then there's a section of government that wants to further endorse lento yama illegal immigrants, or immigrants for that matter. It leaves you wondering, Guti, what is going on? Does government have a plan? I ask myself this. Do you think our government has a plan on how they are going to sort this thing out? Because I'm telling you now, government is not going to sort out lentiyama illegal immigrants. It is us as South Africans that have to sort it out. We are the ones that have to make it uncomfortable for illegal immigrants to not have places to rent, to not have places where they can work, to not have places where they go to school, to not have places where they are running tuck shops or businesses, because we are not going to be supporting them. I'm calling on all South Africans, South Africans, ngiyazi ukuthi manje sayicabanga lento ubone ngazi ukuthi wena ik-affect. Kodwa ngiyakuthembisa iyaku-affecta nawe. Uyabona ukuthi ngalesikhathi wena uyitshela ukuthi uthatha imali ye-rent from umuntu we-illegal immigrants. Angazi futhi bangaka bathi bayarentisa labantu. And umuntu ebuye kuthini esezosikhalela ethi umuntu semkhipha emzini wakhe usethathe over, or abantu utheseshonile ingane zakhe ayisakwazi ukuthatha over indlu yakhe ngoba lo muntu sewuclaim umuzi as umuzi wakhe, and then mase nizokhalela thina. Kodwa siyanikhuza sithi musani ukuqashisa izindlu zenu kulabantu bokufika ningabazi ukuthi bawobani, ngoba one day bazodalela wena inkinga. Abama-tuck shop angazi-ke bangaki sibasiza sebefuna bephume ey'ndaweni zabo abasafuni, ngoba basebenza with abantu ama-mafia abo ababaprotectayo abavikelayo. Uthi usufuna ukubakhipha, they start threatening you, they start wanting to kill you because abafuni ukusuka kwi-property yakho. So ngiyanicela South Africans, this thing is not going to be sorted by government. Idinga thina ukuthi silungise. Government is clueless. I promise you, if you were to ask them today what their plan is for getting rid of illegal immigrants, they'll tell you, oh, we got rid of 50,000 when we are sitting at a number of estimated 20 million. 20 million people are walking around. That's just a rough estimate. Obviously we've got no way of knowing. These people bazoba baningi badlule thina one day, and when that day comes, we will have no voice. They will silence us, they will take over our homes, they will come in one by one and raid every single one, because ba organized bona. They are organized, they have meetings, they have groups, they have everything. Thina silibele ukudance groove. Kudla ama-drugs lawa basunkonka wona futhi ukwenza sure ukuthi mase sezidlile ama-drugs la abantu bethu abacabangi anything but ukuthatha their next fix and their next fix. we have a problem, guys, and I'm begging all of you ukuthi ngishabe ukuthi uyabenefita and awuyiboni isidingo salento esiyenzayo. Ngicela ukuthi uhlale phansi and usihluphe about learning about ama-effects illegal immigration. 5 years from now, South Africa will be ngekho the way that you think ikhona manje. They are coming in numbers, recruiting their brothers, their sisters, their cousins, their entire families to come here. And don't think what's coming here is because they want to come here and live with South Africans. They want to get rid of you in your own country and take over. And I'm saying this as some of you might think ukuthi usayahlanya lo. Vele kuba njalo mangabe ukhuluma ngento eqiniso ubuya ngathi uyahlanya. Ubuya ngathi awusile ekhanda lakho. But I'm telling you, so kusasa sisenkantolo. Tomorrow, fighting the Human Rights Commission. The Human Rights Commission of South Africa. So besibelwa nabo. Ngiyacela nibe khona. Durban High Court, so besikhona thina from 9 o'clock. Please bring something to drink. Sizobe senza show ukuthi siyagcoba. Sikhathele thina uhulumeni wethu ngasilaleli. And manje babopha thina. Instead of fixing the problem that is illegal immigrants. Guys, we need to wake up. Asekho isikhathi sokudlala manje. Asekho ukudansa nogroove nani isikhathi salokho asekho. Ngoba if those people come and take over this country today, ngiyobe niphethwe ama militants from all over the world engawazi.